Hey everyone, this is James Romero from Keep Supply, and I'm back with Brad Gappa from Hansen Technologies. Today we're going to talk to you about the advantages of their MVP, the multi-valve platform. Brad, can you walk us through some of the basics of the MVP line?
Yes, the MVP is a great way to consolidate your valve groupings into a single platform, while also still using the same Hansen components that you've grown to trust. It has two welded connections to reduce the potential for flange leaks, and is now available in the 2.5-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch port sizes.
Tell us about some of the features and configuration options that are available from Hansen.
The MVP is available with all Hansen control valve features: the standard solenoid, pressure regulator, motorized control valve, and now with the two-step suction stop valve as well, which means it can be installed in all lines of an evaporator valve group.
What are some of the advantages of the MVP platform versus an individualized valve grouping?
The installed cost is a huge advantage for the entire MVP family. Installation is much quicker and simpler because the MVP is reducing the number of pipe cuttings, welding, staging, assembly time, and installation.
Does the end user see any advantage for the MVP for maintenance versus a individual valve group?
It is more efficient to maintenance an MVP valve because it reduces the valve train into a smaller platform. In addition, the MVP uses the same service kits that our standard conventional valves would use.
And is the anti-corrosion technology from Hansen available on the full lineup of MVPs?
The ACT coating is available on all Hansen valves, including the MVPs, and is standard on the MVP 65, MVP 80, and MVP 100.
Brad, thanks for the overview on the MVPs. To order online or to learn more, visit us at keepsupply.com or call one of your parts pros for all your Hansen needs.